It's funny how one small drawer lock can act like it owns the whole cabinet, like I run this kitchen now. Anyway, come see what we did. Client needed something simple but secure for their Airbnb kitchen. You know, guests can be rough, so we had to make sure everything was tight and clean. One wrong screw and the whole vibe is off. This lock? It's small but mighty. Now here's where it gets interesting. I'm actually training people who want to learn this kind of work. If you've ever looked at a cabinet and thought, I can fix that, come and let's make it official. I'll show you the real behind-the-scenes stuff. No classroom stress. So yeah, if you're an intern, apprentice, or just curious and handy, slide in my DMs. Let's work. Candecor. We don't just decorate, we give your space a full-blown makeover.